This is a case study of the YouTube channel Infinite Waters, Diving Deep. And this YouTuber, his name is Ralph Smart. He's a very charismatic individual, and the subjects that he talks about are almost anything related to New Age, health, spirituality, and self-help. And there's probably other topics that I didn't mention, but you could go ahead, visit Infinite Waters, check out all his videos. Now, I'm assuming that because of YouTube, he's been able to successfully branch into other areas and earn other income streams outside of YouTube. He's been able to write books, he sells his own merchandise, and he does public speaking all around the world. Now, although he is a charismatic individual, that alone does not determine your success on YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a look at his keys to success. Now, let's get the obvious thing out of the way, is that he is consistent. If you've watched other case studies already, by now you should know that one thing or one trait that they all have is that they're all consistent in making videos. In terms of the videos that he makes, he advises people to create videos that get people out of their chairs. Does your content move your audience? The way he looks at it is, don't play it safe. You always have to try to push the boundaries. You might even have to make a controversial video to go viral. And he points out that the video that you're scared the most of making is usually the one that's going to change your life, because it's those videos that are pushing the boundaries. You also have to be vulnerable so that you can connect with your audience and dare to be different. And it goes without saying that you should be yourself. You want your audience to like you for who you are. And if you watch his videos, you can tell that he enjoys what he's doing. So if you're going to go down this route, you have to enjoy what you're doing when you're making YouTube videos, because there are days, weeks, and months where you're not going to be making much money and you're going to be facing obstacles. And in order for you to be able to get through all that, you have to enjoy the whole process. Another tip from Ralph is to invest your money. He's invested well over $20,000 in equipment. And lastly, collaboration. He's collaborated with a lot of people early on, and that's how his subscribers grew, because he was crossing audiences.